wake up close to the beach, sunny, not like this. Not too early, not too late. Have breakfast with view to the sea. Go to the beach with my friends and or family. Have a picnic there. See the sunset at the beach and then get ready with that like post-beach shower. This is the best. And then go have dinner and go to dance.
Given the choice of anyone in the world, who would you want as a dinner guest?
Ooh, dead or alive?
Dead or alive?
This is gonna sound, I don't know how it's gonna sound, but I'd say my grandpa. I'd love to have a dinner date with my grandpa. Just get his life advice because I didn't get as much time as I would have liked with him. So I would say my grandpa.
Question.
A ver.
Your house is burning down. You can only save one thing. What item would it be?
That's a hard one, but I think I have this like little folder with like memories and photos and stuff and things that are important to me, like little notes that my friends have left me, stuff like that. I would save that.
Is there something that you've dreamed of doing for a long time, and why haven't you done it?
Traveling.
I knew you would say.
And I've not done it because I've not had the chance yet. I think it requires a lot of courage and being brave, and I've not hit that level of courage yet, but I'm getting there. And it also takes money, and I've been broke, but I'm saving up, so I'll make it happen.
If you could live in the plot of one of your favorite childhood TV shows, which would it be and why?
One of my favorite childhood TV shows. At the risk of sounding cheesy, I loved this series that was a fairy series called The Winx.
Everyone knows the Winx.
Obviously, and they're fairies and they had magic powers and they were in school with their besties just learning how to be a fairy, and that was so cool, and they had a really cool like outfit transitions, so I lived there. I love that.
What's something you love that most people don't?
Ooh, no say. That's a hard one. That I love that most people don't.
Yeah.
Actually, I don't know what to say.